Good morning, I'm Elise.
And I'm Clark. Why do you sound so scared?
Well, look, it could go out at any second.
What could?
That. If the power went out, imagine how dark the school would be.
Let's not think about that. Let's think about the news. Why don't you start the news today?
Good idea. Second semester schedules will be viewable on Skyward starting Monday. Counselors will be in the comments on Tuesday and Wednesday next week during all lunches for schedule corrections. These are draft schedules until the first day of second semester, so be prepared if your schedule moves until then. The master schedule is also extremely full, so schedule corrections will only be made if you're missing a class, have already taken the class, or are not in the correct level of class. Please come see your counselor in the Commons during your lunch next week. If you need the bus home, you need to be on the 206. Those who arrive late will need to find a different way home.
If you are interested in playing boys soccer this spring, a preseason meeting will be tomorrow after school in room 230. Last night was our senior night for our bowling team. They came back to win their match after being 108 pins down. They pulled together as a team and did a great job. And Miyakuza fired a 173 to help seal this victory. Girls basketball had a great night against Federal Way. JV won 22-17. As for varsity, they posted an impressive 61-11 win, holding Federal Way almost scoreless in the second half. It was a team effort led by Grace DeGaramore, 12 points and 15 rebounds. Kayla Hoisington scored 16 points and 7 steals. Camden Haggerty scored 15 points and pulled down 11 rebounds. They play again tomorrow. This Thursday is senior night for our boys wrestling. Link Crew will be at the match with the Spirit face paint booth. Freshmen with ID can get their face painted for free, while everyone else can get it for $1. Link Crew will also be doing this at future senior night games this month. This Thursday is Improv Night. Don't know about it? Well, here's some information on it.
Mayday! Everything's going down!
Oh, they're doing circles in the ship like this.
I need a picture.
Oh no.
Improv Night is a night where audience and actors themselves can have fun and let their creativity soar. Actors themselves do not have to follow by the script or remember or be stressed about it. They can just say whatever and run with it. They can let their creativity go wild and have so much fun doing it at the same time.
I love how just spontaneous you can be. You can do one thing and it could work, or you could do like 20 things and none of them could work. And the audience just seems to love watching us be horribly silly. And I love being horribly silly. So it's just so great.
You really get to be a wide variety of people and characters throughout the night compared to just being one character in a show from my experiences. And it's just really gets people out of their shell usually, and they really grow as a person.
One, there's no cost, unlike our plays. You just have to bring a can of food for donation. So it's a lot easier and more accessible to get in.
You should come to Improv Night because in my personal opinion, it's one of the funniest nights of the year.
We have this family tradition where if you can choke the other without passing out.
Looks like you don't want to miss it. An informational meeting for the PSNS Work Program Study will be this Friday. Juniors and seniors can sign up in the Career Center. Seniors, time is running out to get your senior ad in the yearbook. See how you can get your special page by checking out the link on our Hot Links page. If you're a senior planning to go to college, apply for financial aid now. There will be help night in the library tomorrow from 6 to 7, and you can always go to the Career Center for help as well. Seniors, scholarships are rolling in. Be sure to check the SK Scholarship page weekly for new additions that might apply to you. To find them easily, stop by the Career Center and scan the scholarship QR code. There are currently 12 due within the next 30 days, including the Blue Rhythm scholarships. Enter your information once and you're automatically entered into up to 10 scholarships that you qualify for.
In club news, Japanese will be watching Ponyo this Thursday and next. Anyone is welcome at Portable 14, and you can bring snacks for yourself or to share. K-pop club means every Thursday in room 217, Spanish club will be making Ojo de Dios to celebrate the new year this Thursday. Everyone is welcome and there will be snacks. The next Green Club meeting will be on January 16th to make paper flower bouquets for Valentine's Day. Please bring recyclable paper to help them make them. And FFA is making butter on January 18th. The clubs meeting today are 3D Zone and D&D. The clubs meeting tomorrow are ASB, Auto Tech, Cosmetology and Self-Care, Esports, Journalism, QSA, and World Builders. Well, we survived the show.
That's good. Let's hope it'll last the whole day.
Agreed.
I've been Clark.
I've been Elise.
And that's the way the wolf howls. Have a great day, SK.